Mission Manager provides 3 ways to communicate with your team. 2 of them, email and phone text messaging, don't require any other services to function. Voice calls, however, require the use of Twilio. Twilio is a third-party communications company that handles the actual phone calls that Mission Manager makes. You need to sign up for an account at twilio.com to use the phone call functionality of Mission Manager. To sign up for a Twilio account, you'll need to enter your name, email address, and a password. Then you'll need to enter a phone number that Twilio will verify before you can continue. You'll now have a trial account, which you'll need to upgrade with a credit card before you can make phone calls. Twilio currently costs 2 cents a minute for outgoing calls and 1 cent a minute for incoming calls. You can use your own existing phone number or pay $1 a month to use one of their phone numbers. Now that you have an established Twilio account, go to your dashboard in Twilio and copy your account SID number. You'll need to enter that number back in Mission Manager. Go to Mission Manager's Configuration tab and click the plus sign next to Messaging, Phone Calls, Twilio. You'll need to paste the SID number in the first field there. Going back to Twilio, you'll need to copy the authorization token for entry back into Mission Manager. Now we need to put a special URL line into Twilio. We'll get that base URL from the help file in Mission Manager and add the Twilio SID number onto the end of it. Click on the Help Setting Up Twilio box in order to get that base URL. On the page there you'll see that base URL to copy. Add the Twilio SID number onto the end of it. I used a notepad application to put those 2 fields together. Now go to the Numbers tab of Twilio and click on your verified phone number to find the Voice Request URL field. Paste in the URL you created there and click Save on that page. We need to enter 2 more values into the configuration screen of Mission Manager. The first is your verified phone number with Twilio, and the second is a PIN number you'll need to access the voice recording system when you call into your team phone number. Mission Manager can call your team 2 different ways. The first is using a text-to-speech engine where a computer will call your member and read a typed message. The second is using a recorded message where Mission Manager will call your team member and play a recorded message with your voice on it. To receive phone calls, your members need to designate which phone number or numbers Mission Manager should call. That is accomplished in the Members tab by clicking the appropriate message boxes next to the phone numbers to be called. Those message boxes only appear when the Twilio configuration has been completed in Mission Manager. To have Mission Manager call your team members, go to the Messages tab and enter a new message. You can see there's 3 ways of how a message can go out. It can go out by text message, email, or phone call, or all the above. In this case we want to initiate a phone call, so we'll click on the phone button. Mission Manager will calculate how many people will get the message based on the filters set. So if you don't want to send it out to your whole team, say no. Otherwise say yes, and your members will get a phone call like this.
Count out. Call 690-555-1212 for more information. Message from Daniaki.
To have Mission Manager call your team with a custom recorded message with your voice on it, do the following. Call your team phone number. This would be that verified Twilio phone number that's in your Mission Manager configuration screen. Next, press 9 or star to access the menu. You press this while the previous message is playing. Enter your PIN number. Again, this is from the Mission Manager configuration screen. And then you'll have the following options. You can push 1 to record a new message, 2 to record an update message, which gets appended to a previous message. It does not overwrite the previous message. Number 3, you can review your last message. Make sure you're fine with it before you send it out. 4, you can clear messages. Press 5 to send a call-out notification. So now you've recorded a message, you're happy with it, and you want to send out the message with a call-out notification as well. So your members will receive a text message and a phone call. with the recorded message. 6 is to send out a cancellation notification. Again, this is sent out after recording a new message. So after you had pressed 1 and recorded a new message saying the mission was canceled, and you review it and you're happy with it, you would then press 6, which sends out that cancellation notification. Again, the text message with that custom recorded cancellation. 7 sends out an update notification. So your team members get a text message saying that there's an update, and then Mission Manager will call them with that updated voice message. Number 8 is to send out an informational notification. Same thing, after you've recorded a message, in this case an informational message, maybe about a training or something like that, and you're happy with your message, you would then press number 8. Your team members will get a text message saying that there's an information message, and Mission Manager will call them and they will hear your custom recorded message. 9 will repeat the menu, and star will exit the menu. And that's how you record a custom message to your team. So there you are. If you have any questions on using Mission Manager to make phone calls to your team members using Twilio, send us an email to support@missionmanager.com, and we'll do our best to get you up and running. Thank you.